everyone, welcome to my channel Learning with Dr. Simpy. Today I am going to explain the trick to find period, block and group of any element. By using this trick you can find out the how on which period, group or block of an element belong. Within a 2 minutes you can explain number of questions. So without wasting time, let's start the video. If you are new in this channel then please subscribe this channel. Okay, तो सबसे पहले what is the period? How to calculate the period? Period, firstly you know the electronic configuration of any element to find out the period, block and group of any element. If you want to see the how the electronic configuration can be written very easily, then there is a video which I have made earlier in which I have explained that how electronic configuration can be find out very easily. So firstly, what is period? Period is last electron enter in which shell. In which shell, for example, last electron, third shell, K, L, M, N, these are the shells in which the last electron entered is known as its period. So I will explain later with the help of example. You can learn this rule very clearly by taking the examples. Same block. Block means last electron enter in which subshell. Whether it enter in S subshell, P subshell, D or F. These are known as this block. S block, P block, D block or F block element. Okay, and group के लिए there are different rule. For example, for S block element, if the electron enter NS1 is 1, last electron is 1 or 2 because S subshell can accommodate 2 electron. NS1 then it belongs to first group. If NS2 then it belongs to second group. For P block element, number of electron in P subshell plus 12. If calculate the number of electron in P subshell, how many electron in the outermost P subshell plus add 12, then you get the number of group for P block element. Similarly for D block element, the number of how to calculate the group, 2 plus number of electron in n minus 1 D subshell. This is the rule to find out the group for D block element. In case of F block element, there are only 2 periods because there are 2 series which is actinide and lanthanide series which are just below the periodic table, and there are 2 group there are 2 periods which are 6th period and 7th period, and these F block element belongs to only group 3. So there are no confusion for F block elements. F block element 6 periods is 57 to 71. If the atomic number lie between 57 to 71, then it means it belongs to 6th period. If 89 to 103, then it belongs to 7th period, and the group is equal to 3rd. F block element belongs to the 3rd group. And now I explain this trick with the help of example. For example, I am just taking the example of S block element. For example, calcium. Calcium atomic number is 20. And if we write its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. This is the electronic configuration of calcium. Now, what is the period? Period is the number of electron enter in which shell. Last electron enter in which shell. Number of electron, last electron is enter in which shell? Which is 4th shell. Okay, so 4th shell, so the number of period is 4th. Or I explain this in a very simple manner. 20, 2, 8, 8 and 2. So K, L, M, N. 1, 2, 3, 4th period. Okay. Whether you explain this with the help of this KLMN shells or either writing the electronic configuration and the last electron enter in the 4th shell, so the number of period is 4th. In this case, electron as last electron enter in which subshell? S subshell. So for S, NS1 or NS2. In this case, it is NS2. 2, so it belongs to second group. Period is 4th, group is second, and it is a last electron in enter in S subshell, so it is a S block element. So this is a rule by which you can calculate whether what is the period, group or block of an element. Similarly, I take another example of S block element. Just I have write very simple example. Sodium. Sodium has 11. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. In this case, outermost shell electron is third. So period is equal to 3. Group is equal to first group because ns1 or 2. So ns1 or 2 तो first group हो गया as ns1. If there is case of ns2 then it is belongs to second group. And period हो गया, group हो गया, block. In case of block, it is a S block element. Okay. Similarly, I will take another example of P block element. P block element I take phosphorus. Okay. Phosphorus atomic number is 15. Write the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2 and 3p10, 12 or 3p3. This is the electronic configuration of phosphorus. So period, last electron enter in which subshell? Third. Block, P block element, and then group. For finding the group of P block element, 12 plus number of electron in the last P subshell, which is 3. 2 plus 3 is 15. It means phosphorus belongs to the 15th group. Okay. Now I take the example of D block element. D block element I take example vanadium. Its atomic number is 23. Write the electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2 and 3d3, 23. Okay. In this case, period is fourth because in this case 4, so fourth. Okay. And block, D block element because how we can calculate either S or P. D block element for S, 4s, n plus L rule. Apply n plus L rule. Here n is equal to 4. For s orbital L is equal to 0. It is value is 4. 3d. n is 3. d के लिए L की value is 2. So 5. 4 and 5. Which one is greater? 5. So it will fill last. It means last subshell is D. So period is 4 and the last subshell is D. So block is D and the group case of a D block element is equal to 2 plus number of electron in n minus 1 D subshell. N minus 1 is 3. Third हो गया. N is 4. N minus 1 is 4 minus 1 3D. 3D subshell में number of electron is 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. For in case of D block element vanadium, its group is 5. Now I will take one more example. So to clarify all this very clear, let us take one more 43. One more element which has atomic number is 43. 43, write the electronic configuration according to the rule which I have explained in a previous video how to write the electronic configuration. So let's start without wasting time. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2. How much electron? 10 or 10? 20 हो गए. 4s2, 3d10, 30 electron. 4p6, 36 electron. 5s2, 48 electron. 46, okay. 10, 20, 30, 36, 38. 38 electron I have filled. Then 38 के बाद 5 more electron. So 45. This is the electronic configuration for 43 atomic number. Okay. 1s2, write the period. Last electron enter in which period? 5th. So 5. Okay. Block. In this block is D block element. Our group is equal to 2 plus number of electron in D subshell 5 is equal to 7. You verify this answer and find out whether this trick is applicable to all elements or not. I am giving one more question to you. If this concept is clear to you, then find out the group, period and block of the given element and write the answer in your comment section. Okay, I am writing 49. Okay. In which period block and group this element belong. And this trick is not applicable for chromium and copper, as they have unexpected electronic configuration, because half filled or fully filled electronic configuration, if you apply the rule on that, then this rule will be failed for copper and chromium. So please like, share and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.